In this video, we'll show you how to use a standard 3/4J channel and a Terminator clip to lock in the top course of insulated siding. Install standard universal 3/4J channel at the eave. Install Terminator clips every 2 feet on center into the J channel as shown. Do not nail clips. Terminator clips will slide freely in the J channel. And notch the backside of the insulated panel at approximately the same on-center distance. You don't need to be exact because you can slide the Terminator clip into place when you're ready to install. Using slight pressure, push the cut course into the installed Terminator clips. That's it. The Terminator clip terminates all profiles of vinyl siding. This revolutionary design allows contractors to install insulated vinyl panels without having to buy a 114J channel or double sill. It's fast, efficient, and doesn't require nails, caulk, or crimping. It is wind rated to 130 miles per hour and will never fall. It's simple to use and easy to buy from your local building supply company. Get it at ABC Supply, Beacon, SRS, and many others. Made in the USA. Get a grip. Use the clip.